They don't bite, they keep things loose, they keep it light.
It worked.
It worked!
Yeah.
The two of you have created so much in your lives. The two of you have built so much in your lives that we all look to you as what real success can be. No matter what you accomplish in life, it is this that makes the rest of it holy.
We get it almost every night. And when that moon gets big and bright, it's a super night.